Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Candace. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 different ways you can start making money with Amazon. But before that, if you are new to the channel or happen to view this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell, so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. One of the great way you can make money with Amazon is by creating ebooks and selling them on Amazon. It is not only limited to ebooks, you can also come here and place your hard copy books and make money in the year of 2023. The nice part about Amazon is that it already has traffic, it already has people that are coming to the site and looking for different books to read, and they've got a whole lot of categories that you can actually choose from. You can choose from health and fitness. You can also choose to write cookbooks, comics, and also kids books. I know a free platform called Canva that you can use to actually write your ebooks and place them on Amazon. Another great way you can make money with Amazon is joining Amazon's affiliate marketing program, which is called Amazon Associate. What you're simply going to be doing is recommending products, and you're going to get paid in commission. So affiliate program is very tricky, or affiliate marketing is very tricky. You need to have a following, you need to have traffic, people that already trust you enough to actually click on your link and purchase product. How you can go about that is that you simply need to sign up to the platform, and then you need to look for products that you can actually recommend, and then use your unique link to actually direct people to purchase those products. When people purchase your product using your link, you are then going to get commission on qualifying products. So those are some of the things that you can actually start looking into in the year of 2023. How do you get started? You simply come here to where it says sign up, click on the sign up button. You are then going to be directed to a page like this one, where you need to put in your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, and then create your account. You also need to read on the terms and conditions right below there. So this is a great way for you to start your business, or to actually start making money with Amazon in 2023. Another great way you can make money with Amazon is by actually working for Amazon. You can simply go to Amazon Jobs, look for different positions to apply for. I know that Amazon is coming to South Africa during the first quarter of 2023, and they have been hiring people in South Africa since last year. So you can simply come to their site and see the different positions that you can apply for, and also visit the site on a regular basis, because constantly update their job positions. So currently they've got about 16 jobs available. So you can simply come here and see which job you qualify for. This is a great idea for 2023 to start working for Amazon. Another great opportunity you can make money with Amazon is by actually becoming an Amazon seller, establishing your own e-commerce business using the Amazon platform, because Amazon already has traffic. It already has people that are coming to their site and looking for different products. So you can simply come here on the sellers page to see how you can actually get started. They have information on how you can get started, how you can choose your selling plan, how you can actually add product, how you can actually create a seller's account, and all of these information. And they also have information on how you can actually attract traffic to your business, how you can actually attract customers to come to your business. So they've got a tutorial or information that you can actually read more about in order for you to get started. I know a lot of people are actually making big money. They're actually making a lot of money with the e-commerce business. How they go about is that they sell or they buy products from Alibaba. As you can see, this product goes for about $5 on Alibaba. They take this product and then come and place it on Amazon. And when it comes to Amazon, it's going to be selling for about $33. This is actually the same product, and this is now one of the trending product that is currently has high volume of buyers, right? So that's how people are actually making money with Amazon. They buying from Alibaba and they selling on Amazon. So this is a great business opportunity for the year of 2023. And also, since Amazon is coming to South Africa, they also going to open Amazon Sellers Marketplace where you can start selling your product just like takealot.com, how people are selling on takealot.com. They will also have that opportunity for people in South Africa. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.